Look at this tree. There's very few people here. It's just me and some old folk. Look at this pine tree! Wow! Oh, ginkgo trees. Hang on. This right here is a ginkgo tree. Let's have a closer look at the leaves. Okay, this isn't close enough. Hang on. Look at this. This is a ginkgo tree leaf. And these trees are, here. These are super common in Beijing. They're a huge part of Beijing culture, and they have these cute little leaves that are shaped like little fans or skirts. Yeah. Just look at that. So the problem with ginkgo trees is they have really, really smelly fruit. Especially when it's ripe. When it isn't ripe, it's perfectly fine, but ginkgo tree fruit is the smelliest thing you will ever smell. It's really smelly, and yeah, it's not a good thing, but it's a large part of living in Beijing, and it's very nostalgic to every Beijinger, so you'll grow to like it. Wow. This tree has like colorful bark. It's kind of red and green at the same time, and it's beautiful. Look at this. It's a little fungus. There's ants. I think it's cute. I love filming poplar trees. Just look at them, they're beautiful. Now, off to find a spot to play my guitar. I love this place so much. Look at it, it's gorgeous. Oh, there's a bird. Can we catch it? Yay! Behold, my favorite trees, poplars. I mean, look at those leaves. I think I'm gonna call you Alice. Like in Wonderland.